In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add www to domain on Bluehost. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As of today, you cannot directly add www to your domain using the Bluehost's control panel. In order to do this, you will have to access the DNS settings for your domain. So all that you have to do is go over to bluehost.com, sign into your account, and once you are properly signed into your account where you can access your dashboard and see all of the domains that you own, all that you have to do is click Manage on the specific domain that you would like to configure. Now, once you access the domain settings, look for the DNS section. Usually, it is going to be accessed by selecting the option at the left side of the screen, but regardless, just scroll down and find the Advanced DNS Records. Once you go within the DNS records, you will find the option to add a new record. In here, click Add Record and choose CNAME as the record type. Afterwards, in the host field, enter www, and in the points to or value field, just enter your domain name. Once this is done and saved, don't forget, every single traffic that goes through your website will be done using the www subdomain. It's important to remember that these DNS changes can take some time to propagate across the internet, so keep that in mind. It might take a few hours before you can access your website with the www subdomain. Well, once it is done, you will be good to go, and like I mentioned, every single traffic that accesses your domain will be done using the www subdomain. It is extremely simple and versatile, and you can change this at any time. The records will be available for you to manage later, so you can edit them if necessary, or even delete them altogether. If you encounter problems while trying to do this, you can try talking to their chat, and they will be able to guide you through the process on your specific scenario, your specific domain, but for the most part, it is something that you will be able to do on your own. Just make sure that you selected the appropriate type, the referred to, the name, the value, and so on. And afterwards, on the DNS management page, you will be good to go. This can be done for every other DNS record that you have, and you will be able to manage them in there. So log into your account, go into the dashboard, and create the DNS record. Keep in mind that this is optional in most cases because as of today, most web browsers know how to handle these domains, and even if you don't manually set it up to add the www subdomain, some web browsers will do it automatically for you. So this is mostly done if you just want to ensure that every single visitor goes through the www subdomain for whatever purpose. I hope I was able to help you on how to add www to domain Bluehost. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.